Right, I am doing the Coke and Mentos challenge. It may not work because I've drank most of Coke and it's cherry Coke. So, right, like this video if you like Coke. I just need to get my phone in a good angle. Right, I've got 2 Mentos. I might eat one, depends how much. In this, as again, it might not work because I've drank most of it. I wasn't thinking about this because I forgot I had Mentos and I was at the shop. So, it may explode, may not explode. Right. It's doing absolutely nothing. Wait, no, it's fizzing up. Putting it over there. Drink. Tastes the same. It is the Mento. You can see it. It just fizzes up. I thought it would be different. Maybe 2 Mentos will be better. The other I've like all the Mentos, so there's only 1 Mento left in the packet. That's why it's taking forever to get them out. So maybe, what about 2 Mentos? Doing anything? Absolutely nothing. Well, that was a waste of time. I was gonna make it slow motion if it works. And nope. Right. Oh no. Oh, I think it's doing something now. Nope. Not doing anything. Well, that was a bad idea to do the video.